Hey guys, today we are going to recharge the AC on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, and I'll also have affiliate links down in the description below. First thing you need to do is go pop your hood and put your hood up. Your AC low pressure port is right there. Normally it has a black cap on it, but this one got lost. So all we're gonna do is just push our recharge tool onto that port down here. And it's gonna click when it gets pushed on there. So if you hear it, you'll hear it click. Like that. To release this, you're just gonna pull on this back like this and it'll pop right off. So we're gonna connect the hose there. We're gonna leave that sitting right there where it's in a safe spot. Now we're going to start our vehicle. We're gonna turn our AC on. We're gonna turn our temperature settings all the way to the coldest settings on all three knobs. And then turn our blower speed all the way up on both of these knobs. All right, this is what you wanna see. This is pretty full. I'm going to try to get it a little closer to 45 psi, but you just want to see that needle be nice and steady right around 45 psi. If your needle is bobbing up and down, that means you're low on refrigerant and you need to add more. To add more, we're just going to squeeze our trigger like this and then hold our can at 12, and every few seconds we're going to rotate it to the 3 o'clock position, hold it for a few seconds, and then come back to 12 o'clock. We're just going to keep repeating this. To recheck our gauge, we're going to let go of the trigger, and then we can see where our needle's at again, because you'll notice when you squeeze the trigger, the needle goes down to 0. So you're going to fill this as long as it takes, with as many cans as it takes, to get this up to 45 psi. You want to see the needle stay steady right there. If your needle is bobbing up and down and all around, that means your refrigerant level is too low and you need to add more. If the needle just stays down here, you're also too low and you need to add more. You want to see it be right there at about 45 psi. So that's about all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching.